guys, it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with something super exciting. Okay, I haven't done this in a long time, but I am doing a massive haul. So I got rid of like 30 pounds of makeup a while back. And it was time for me to splurge a little bit because yes, it was my birthday. I'm 28 years old. Okay, so I am doing a massive Sephora haul, you guys. This box is kind of heavy. So there's one thing in here that's not from Sephora because I just picked it up. Dude, there is so much drama tied around the one thing I'm about ready to show you, you guys. So, oh my gosh. It was a hot mess. Okay, so before we dive into this huge Sephora haul, I don't even know what the total is, probably like $500. I think it's like a $500 Sephora haul. Anyways, so before I dive into this huge Sephora haul, let me just quickly mention that if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you guys and hope that you guys want to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you miss any of my uploads. And if you're returning, thank you so much for returning to my channel. I really appreciate you guys' support. Look, I'm not super casual. I literally have a BB cream on, like super lightweight makeup. That's just that was my vibe today. And I'm wearing just like a casual shirt, but whatever. Look, I'm not a glamorous person, okay? I think if you guys have been following me for a little bit, you know I'm not that glamorous. I'm just I'm a straight up mom who loves makeup. So, let's just dive in. Now, before I get into the actual Sephora haul part, let me just talk about this drama surrounding this foundation, you guys. This is Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation. Guys, so the minute, and I mean the minute, because I was constantly refreshing my Ulta app. The minute it went live on the Ulta app, I ordered 2 shades and I paid for expedited shipping, right? So it never showed up, right? It never showed up, and then I called them and I was like, hey, where's my order at? And it didn't even according to tracking, never even left the warehouse. So they said it left the warehouse, but for some reason it didn't make it to their local post office. So they placed a reorder where they overnighted it to me. Never showed up. And it's been like 4 or 5 days. So I don't know where my foundations are at. So I just they gave me a refund and I went in today and I got myself 1 shade, which was actually kind of a blessing in disguise because you guys, my first review on this before even trying it out is that shade matching is a bitch. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so glad the shade I ended up buying was not the shade online. And I'm usually like a major pro at getting my shade online. Like I never have to go swatch in store. I'm so glad I did this time. Anyways, so the first thing I have right here, it is from Ulta. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. I got the shade Malta. I guess my guess was way too light. Apparently I am considered medium shade. I'm usually light medium, but I'm a straight up medium shade with Juvia's Place, so I'm so glad. So now if those do happen to show up one day, then I'll just have some lighter ones for when my tan goes away. So whatever, you know, I have it. So now I can do a full wear test, which tomorrow morning I'm getting up super duper early to start testing out for you guys. So in the next few days you can expect a wear test and review of the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. Now on to the $500 Sephora haul. I have a ton of goodies in here. A lot of makeup forever, I noticed, but I'm super duper excited. I'm just gonna start diving right in to what I have in this box. I love goodies. Okay, so the first thing here is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I've heard so many good things about this and I really wanted to give it a go. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do like close to full face first impressions of all this stuff for you guys. Today I'm just doing the haul and getting rid of boxes. So here is the primer, and I'm going to test on the back of my hand now, just a little bit. Come out. There we go. I'm just testing. I just want to see what it feels like. Oh, I'm gonna love that. Ooh, I feel the grippiness is yes. Oh, there's the tackiness. I love a good tackiness in a primer, you guys. Oh, I am going to love this. Okay, I cannot wait to try that one out. So, I've got the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer that everyone is raving about, and I want to go ahead and try it out myself. Alright, the next thing in here is the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. I've seen a few channels talk about this, and I'm out of my Tatcha one, and I don't really have any other skin mist that will give you a nice glow. And so I've seen this on people, and I thought it looked gorgeous. So I'm gonna try it out. Here's the packaging. It really reminds me of the YSL Touche Eclat primer. It looks a lot like that, but this is a skin mist, the rose gold skin mist. Super pretty packaging. I love this. Let me spray it in my hand. Oh, I love how subtle that scent is. Let me see. I don't know if you can like see it, whatever. I'll spray it on my face, we'll see. But yeah, I see a little bit of a glow there. I didn't do a lot also, but I'm gonna go ahead and try that out as like a skin mist. I'll still use like an actual setting spray, but I am really excited to test this out because I love the Tatcha one and I want to see how well this one looks. 24 karat gold infused, hydrate and prime and set. Oh, so you can use it as a primer spray too. Interesting. Okay, I'm so excited to try this one out. So I got that. Next is a serum. This is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. I have never used that. So this is like the first skincare thing I've ever bought from somewhere that isn't the drugstore. Literally, this is like the first one. And I went on like this Facebook group I'm a part of. I love the pack. Oh, that's so tiny. I expect it to be bigger. This is the Pineapple Glow Pineapple C Bright Serum Brightening and Smoothing. Or is it smoothing? Smoothing. Brightening and smoothing. That's actually so cute to look at though. I don't know. I feel like it's so festive for Hawaii and you know I live in Hawaii so. Oh cool. That just comes right out. Interesting. That is so cute. I love that. Okay. So the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. I cannot wait to try this out. Do I need to shake it? Hey, let me read the instructions. I'm not going to make the same mistake that Jeffree Star made. Apply 1 or 2 drops on the clean skin and gently pat into skin for optimal absorption. Oh, so pat, yeah. So apply daily, morning and night, and follow with moisturizer. At the end of the day, follow with sunscreen. For sensitive skin types, use 3 to 4 times a week and gradually increase usage. Okay, cool. Well, I don't have sensitive skin, so I can use this every day. All right, let's see. I'm gonna put a little of this on my hand. I don't want to waste it, so 1 little drop. And we'll see how this looks. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, I see it. I see. Yeah, I see it in the mirror. That looks so good in the mirror. Super hydrating. I love how it feels. But I like it doesn't feel oily. A lot of times it doesn't feel oily at all. So I love that. Okay, I'm excited to try that one out. All right, next. This was a sample size, but the reason I didn't purchase this one yet, so this was on the recommended stuff on that Facebook group I'm a part of. Someone said, oh, I really like this one, but then I saw that you could get this as like a when you put in like a coupon code after spending a certain amount. Anyway, so this is the Ren Clean Skincare Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30. I needed a sunscreen for my face, so I'm gonna really try this one out before I go buy the full size, but this had really good reviews and I need one for my face, so I got this. Then I got then I got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is that setting powder that, what's her name? Jaclyn Hill talks about a lot, and it just looks so beautiful on her skin that I've been wanting to try it out. So I got this to test out. Oh man, that feels buttery. So I'm gonna definitely be playing around with this in the video when I do it, and the packaging is stunning. So I got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in 2 medium. Alright, then next is a foundation. This is a powder foundation, the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 12-hour powder foundation in the shade Y315. Right, like so. Perfect. It comes with a little sponge, and apparently it's supposed to be like one of those full coverage powder foundations, and I've tried their other powder foundations before, which I'm obsessed with, but this is their new one because they got rid of the Duo Matte. I mean, you can still get some shades online that aren't sold out yet, but once all the shades are gone, like it's gone. So because they discontinued the Duo Matte and they came out with this one, so I really wanted to give this one a go. Oh my gosh, that's gonna match me perfectly. Yes. Okay, I can't wait to do my video. Ah! Okay. Then next in here is this is the Contour Sculpting Powder from Natasha Denona. I'm really kind of nervous about this because I'm allergic to her eyeshadows. When I use her eyeshadows, literally my eyes puff up and they start to get all watery and itchy. I cannot use her eyeshadows. So I'm hoping that her face products don't irritate me. And it's weird because like I do not have sensitive skin, you guys. So like the fact that it irritated my eyes was so weird. This is a Natasha Denona Contouring Sculpting Powder in the shade 03 Warm. But I really liked the shade of it. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a go. I would want a really good contour powder. Now that I'm tanner, my contour powders are too light to contour with. So I wanted to get one that I could contour with when I'm tan, which I can use this one right now. So I like that it's like very neutral with a slight cool undertone, so it can still look like a shadow, but it's not so cool that it looks gray and muddy on the skin. So this is, again, is the Natasha Denona Contour Sculpting Powder. I cannot wait to try that out. Next is another one that people rave about. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got it in the shade Butter. And oh my gosh, this is huge. And everyone says this is phenomenal. So I'm going to try this one out too, you guys. This is going to be a dope video when I do it. Oh, yes. I was worried that this would be too light, but that's actually a really nice shade for under the eye. It's gonna really brighten. Oh, I'm so excited. I really want to try it all on right now, you guys, but I gotta behave, and I'm just doing the haul right now. So again, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in the shade Butter Cream. All right. Next, lots and lots of Makeup Forever coming up, you guys. So Makeup Forever just launched their brand new liquid lipsticks. They are cream ones instead of matte ones. So, hang on, let me grab all my nonsense. Here we go. Wait, hang on, what's this one? What is this? Our nude cream. Oh, there's the liner. Okay, so I got 4 of the brand new liquid lipsticks from them. These are their cream liquid lipsticks. I got 4 shades because I wanted to test out the formula first before I bought all of them. Here is the packaging. It's a lot skinnier than their liquid lipsticks, their matte ones. It has some nice, oh, look at that, you guys. This one is in the shade number 1, Uncovered. That's so pretty. I cannot wait to try these out. The next one I got is in the shade number 11, Undraped. So sexual. Oh, that's dark. That's Undraped, like there. I've never tried a cream liquid lipstick, so we'll see how I like these. And then I also got the shade Bluff in number 3. This one is a very beigey nude, more on the brown side. One's more on the pinky side, one's more on the brown side. Right there. That one's pretty. Then we have number 9 in Pure. This is like a terracotta color. Right there. So I got 2 nudes and 2 deeper shades. Awesome. I cannot wait to try this out on the lips. Alright, so then I got 2 shades in their self-setting concealer. Number 12 and number 20. Whoa, that's so light. Oh, I got these when I wasn't... Crap. I'm gonna have to go exchange these. Let me see, I'm not... Yeah, that's gonna be... We'll see. I'll try out the shade and I can go exchange it if it's just too light. I placed this order... I've gotten really tan in the past week or a week and a half since I've placed this order. So yeah, these matched me like a week and a half ago. Crap. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the packaging for these ones on the off chance. I'm gonna try it out, but then I'm just gonna go exchange them if they are way too light for me. One of them might work. I'll try it and I'll keep you guys posted, but I at least want to try out the formula. So next thing I got is the Makeup Forever Dual-Ended Concealer Pencil. This is just got for rounding my lips and my eyes. I'm kind of breezing through this because my camera's blinking at me. And then the last thing I got was the new graphic liner from Makeup Forever. It is a felt tip. What's wrong? Let's see how black this is. Ooh. It's so dark. Now the last two things in here are the Dior Backstage Primer and Foundation. I got little trial sizes of them. So I can try these out too and see if I want to get the full sizes. Oh, that's so cute and little. This is the primer, I'm pretty sure. Look how little these are. They're so cute. And then this one is the, foundation. And 2 neutral, which is going to be perfect. So that is everything I got in my Ulta haul, you guys. I know it was a big haul. I can't wait to try all this out for you guys, give you guys my reviews. Anything I don't get to in my first impressions video, that I will go ahead and just review for you guys. Maybe separate videos, but I don't know. I'm just like so excited. Let me know what you guys are excited for me to try out. And let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to pick up from Sephora or Ulta to review for you guys. I can't wait to review the Juvia's Place foundation for you guys. I'm just so many cool videos coming up. So that is everything. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up and comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the notification bell right next to it so you don't miss any of my uploads. But other than that, I'm gonna get going. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.